I'm back. So, we'll be making a Korean marinated eggs or mayak geran. Let's go! So, masyadong mainit dito, so magpapa-electric fan ako. Let's go! So, our primary ingredients is egg. Pinakuluan ko na siya and nilagyan ko sa mainit na sa cold water. Pero yung isa sumabog. So, 1 to 6 na lang. 2 for 6 na lang yung ating gagawin. Okay. A is garlic, onion, and chili. And of course, sesame seeds. Ito-toast pa natin yan. And wala akong nakitang ng green onions. So, I don't know kung saan yun makikita, but surely hindi sa palengke. Wala doon sa palengke. Okay, let's go. Sabi nila, 2 daw yung sili. Pero I think it's too much. So, gagawin na natin 1.5. Next is kaya daw tinawag na mayak geran. Mayak means like drugs kasi nga nakaka-addict siya this meal. Tapos geran naman is steamed eggs. Kaya mayak geran or Korean marinated eggs. So, pwede mo siyang i-stock sa ref mo for 4 days. Some says 5 days. Pero, nakikita ko is average talaga is 4 days. So, pwede ko siyang maging meal for 4 days. At saka, dapat half lang ito. So, yeah. And of course, the soy sauce and the vinegar. Okay, that's it. Pili ko, gusto ko pang lagyan ng We'll just add another 2 cloves of garlic. Kasi nga, I like garlic. Pagsasamahin lang natin sila. And, kailangan pala ng syrup, pero wala akong syrup. So, I will just use sugar. Because why not? So, steam this for 6 minutes. Gusto ko malasado. Dapat malasado pa siya. I think na-over ko magluto. The next is get your bowl. Then let's go with marinade sauce. Okay. So let's get our cup.
Huh?
So 1/2 of water. A cup of sugar. Yan. And then 1/2 cup of soy sauce. Toyo na tayo. Just one half cup of is ipo-pour out natin siya dito. Course our oh my gosh. Yan. So, gagawa pa tayo ng sesame. Ito-toast pa natin siya. One moment. This is the gusto ko madami kasi nga I love the nutty flavor. So, ang gagawin natin dyan is to wait up until 24 hours or overnight. Then, from time to time, i-flip mo siya para mag-brown lahat yung kulay niya. Okay? So,
Tomorrow.